We're going to turn this dragon into this dragon. We're going to turn this flaming monster into Godzilla. We're going to turn this cat eating ramen to a sloth eating ramen. And we're even going to get abducted by aliens and make a t-shirt about it. And we're going to do it all with AI, and the video starts right now. So recently I had an interview with Juna from Detour Shirts, and that interview really inspired me to get back into my POD game, my print on demand game. All right, so thank you so much, Juna. If you want to see that interview, there's going to be a link up right here, right up there. So anyway, we are going to go into the hack, the cheat code to print on demand, and just, to me, t-shirt design and design in general. And what's that? Kittl. All right. And of course, today we're going to focus on AI, right? I heart AI. So you know what? Without any further ado, let's get into it. Let's open Kittl and let's go over here to templates, merchandise. Now let's click t-shirts. Let's go down and you can see all of these amazing templates. I mean, it just goes on and on, no matter what niche you're trying to do. And you can click on them and customize them to your liking. I've already pre-selected a few, so let's go over to projects and let's open this one. We're going to start with these two graphics. The dragon mythology on the left and Japanese flaming monster on the right. Let's select the flaming monster. It's kind of hard to tell what this guy is. So let's just change him to Godzilla. Click this little star up here. This is Kittl Copilot. You see restyle, replace image, and erase and fill. Click on replace image, and we're gonna type replace with Godzilla. Click generate and let it rock out. Check that out. Looks amazing, and it kept the flaming style of the first monster. So next, let's select this entire dragon mythology graphic and go over to restyle. Click on it and type watercolor style. Now choose a style strength. This is pretty much how intense the effect will be. We're gonna go with high. Click generate, let it do its thing. And boom. I mean, look at that, look at it. I actually like this version better. Look at all that watercolor goodness. So that's just coming up with some really cool stuff. But I wanna show you guys some new things going on directly in the AI platform. So let me show you. I'm going to show how you use your own style reference. That means you can use art that you found and create your own version of it. But please, I'm begging you, don't do that exact same thing. Change it up a bit. Don't bite styles. So let's go over to the upload tab and get an image from my hard drive. Once we find it, click open. It pops on our artboard. It's a cat eating ramen. We're gonna save this as a style reference. So we go to these three dots and click, drop down to save as image gen style. It uploads to the system. The AI named it Cartoon Cat, but I'm gonna rename it. Just click the three dots and click rename. We're gonna call this style ramen style, and we can use it anytime we wanna do something similar. So now let's click on the AI tab and let's click image generation and make sure our ramen style reference is selected. Now let's type in the prompt box, tree sloth eating ramen. Perfect. Now let's click generate. Let it do its thing. And amazing. They even have other variants down here. Let's click out of this and compare the two. It's similar, but it's not the same. Welcome to the new world, guys. Get with it or get left behind. Now this next feature is crazy. Let's click on the AI. tab. This time we're going to go to Design Generator. Okay, you have a few choices up here: logo, t-shirt, sticker, poster, social post, advert. Of course, we're going to choose t-shirt. Now, you don't prompt for a design so much as you suggest an idea and let the AI come up with some concepts and present them to you. By the way, this is great for print on demand. So here goes.
And sign up for the T-Shirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-Shirt Business Quick Start Guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in description.
You know it wouldn't be a T-shirt help desk video without the mention of aliens or zombies. So let's prompt person being abducted by aliens. Oh, if you look right here, this is for the style of the graphic. Y2K, retro, vintage, cute, grunge, and modern. We are gonna go with grunge. Now let's click generate and let it do its thing. It gave us 4 versions of the idea that we prompted. This is a low-key game changer. Let's take a look. I like this one, and this one. Just click and they go to the artboard. Now check this out.
All right, so we have these here, and guys, let's go right here. Let's zoom in. This one is really big, but we're gonna zoom in on this guy. Just hold down the space bar and go in closer. All right, experiencing. So we're gonna go right here, and we're just gonna write, got him. Remember, I think the apostrophe is on the other side. Remember when that was going on? That was like the thing that they were saying, got him!
Got him!
That was the meme. And that's it. We got a got him t-shirt. I'm going to leave all of this right here. And I really like this one. Aliens took human life away to explore galaxies. That means I really like this font right here. But what I am going to do is, how about if we just like add an alien face? So let's go right here.
And we're gonna write the prompt alien face.
You know what? Let's go back. Go back again. I'm gonna go right here to image generator. And I'm going to see line art. Okay, we're gonna do vector art. And let's see what we get in just an alien face. We ran it again. Ooh, I like this one. And we are going to go this one, and we're going to change that. We're going to eyedrop and make. There we go.
And this one we're going to make white.
Okay, I think I like this one better. And let's take this and move it up. I'll put him right here. And I think I want to erase. So we can go right here, click the eraser, rasterize. That's fine. And you just go right here, and I'm going to erase all this stuff. And just showing you this right here, this is just showing you more and more how this program is beginning to make like everything obsolete. You know, Photoshop, Illustrator. I mean, if you're a serious graphic designer, you're always going to be using those programs. But to a lot of just like hobbyists and just like regular people, there's no need for those. That's just an extra bill. And we all know that Photoshop and Illustrator and that Creative Cloud thing is not cheap. And by the way, if you want to make the brush here, the eraser, smaller, just go to your brackets. See, it's this size. You hit your bracket, your left bracket to make it smaller, your right bracket to make it bigger. Just go right there and just go, there we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to take, oh, hold on. Done. So now we have here, and I'm going to go right here to this O. I'm going to go space, space, space. All right. And we're going to take him. I think I left a little bit in there. And we're going to put his face right there with that O. How awesome is that? There's a little bit. Let's go to erase. I'm going to get rid of that extra. Done. How awesome is that? Hold on. Let's pull this. Come on now. Come on now. How awesome is that? So we got two of these. I like this one as is. The big one. And these are awesome, right? And alien shirts sell on Amazon merch. So anyway, guys, that is it. My AI t-shirt business super system is almost completed, and I'm not just saying that. You can sign up for it and be the first to hear about it and take your business to the future. I have a full Kittl walkthrough right here, and there's links for Kittls down in the description box. Guys, I've fooled around with y'all long enough. Get out there and make yourself some POD money. God bless. I'm finna put some butt on my shoes and slide on out the door. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.